Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi. Once again, we are meeting for this week's teaching and learning. After last week, we studied about how to form sentence using have not and has not. Apart from that, we have studied about the numbers and so on. So we continue for this week. A new topic on my friends. Okay. Everybody, please refer to your textbook on page 8. Okay. Page 8, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Our world. Listen and read. Do karate, dive, paint. Okay. There are 3 vocabs has been introduced for this week. They are do karate. You know karate, the martial arts. And then dive. And the last one is paint. Okay, now my friends. Okay, look at this page. My name's Chris. I am 10 years old. My favorite sport is football. I can play football very well. Okay, first one is about Chris. Okay, Chris. Okay, and then this is my friend Kelly. Okay, this is Kelly. This is my friend Kelly. She can't play football, but she can paint beautifully. Okay, obviously Kelly is a girl. Girl normally do not play football, but this Kelly likes to paint. Okay, and then this is my friend Gary. He can't paint, but he can do karate. Okay, another friends of Chris is Gary. Okay, Gary, Kelly, and now Gary. See, so this time Gary, he can't paint. Who can paint? Kelly. But Gary can do karate. This one is karate. And then the last one. This is my friend Sam. He loves swimming. He can swim very well. He can dive too. Okay, you know dive. This one is dive. Dive is you go deep into the water, like in the sea or river, like the pond, the water pool, or ocean. Okay, you go deep there, diving, whether you are using oxygen or not. Okay, this one is Sam. He don't bring the oxygen tank. You know the Sabah people, Kota Belud, there are some people there are very famous and well-known diver. They are a good diver. They can swim in the ocean without the oxygen. So many, so long, without using oxygen, so long they can swim in the water. So there is a gift from God. Allah give the people of Bajau Laut, Kota Belut, can swim in the ocean very well. Okay, for us, we normally cannot swim very long in the water. At least couple of minutes, but them very long. Okay. Once again, this is about my friends, meaning our friends. Our friends, my friend. My friend, friends of me. Our friend, friend of us. Okay, so why the name of them are Gary, Kelly, Chris, and Sam. I can say their name are like that because they are not Malaysian. Obviously, this textbook came from outside, whether from Europe or from US. So that's why the name are not identical to Malay people. There is no Achong, Abu Ali, Ahmad, Liza, no. But they are using their name, Gary, Kelly, okay, Chris, and Sam. That's why. Okay, but in Malaysian, the name is quite well known to you. You always ever heard that name, Ali, the famous name Ali, Abu, Ahmad, Nurul, Abdul. That's the common name of Malaysian people. Okay, for you, student of 3 Al-Biruni and 3 Al-Jazari, for this week, I want you to introduce yourself. Okay, introduce yourself to the class, which means I will forward you a Google sheet or Google form to each of you to fill it to fill up. Okay, there is exercise regarding on this. Okay, it's quite simple. The exercise is building a paragraph. Okay, like this lah, like this one. For example, if your name is Azman. Okay, for example, my name is Azman. I am 10 years old. My favorite sport is badminton. I can play badminton very well. Okay, that's his first paragraph. Okay, just change the object and the subject. Maybe the verb also you can change. And then tell a story about your friend. Change the subject and the object. This is my friend Nurul. She can't play badminton, but she can dance. She can dance beautifully. Okay. And then another paragraph. This is my friend maybe Muhammad. Okay. This is my friend Muhammad. He can't dance, but he can do silat. Okay. He can do silat. And the last one, this is my friend Abdul. Okay. He love gardening. Okay. He can plant very well. Okay. He can plant very well. He can dive too. Okay. He can apart from gardening, what is that? He can saw too. Menjahit. He can saw too. So later in Telegram, I will forward you some Google form to you to fill up for the exercise. Build 4 paragraph lah. First paragraph is about you. Second paragraph your first friend. Third paragraph is your third friend, and the fourth paragraph is your last friend. So 4 beautiful paragraph become one essay. Okay, 4 paragraphs become a good essay. Okay, so siap satu karangan panjang. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, I hope you remember how is the format of SVO, how we are using the SVO, subject, verb, and object, to build sentence. How to build a sentence using SVO. And then the combination of 2 and 3 sentences become paragraph. And the combination of 2 and 3 paragraph become a story or essay, become a composition. Okay, the starter is SVO. Okay, subject, verb, and object. Subject Ali, verb kick, object the ball. Ali kick the ball. If you build sentence without, for example, without object, Ali kick, no object, Ali kick what? So there, the sentence is not complete. So we cannot build. We cannot call them a sentence. Incomplete. So must got 3 elements: subject, verb, and object. So Ali kick the ball. This time no subject. Kick the ball. Okay, kick the ball. Okay, we can understand kick the ball, but who gonna kick the ball? Siapa yang nak sepak? So still incomplete. This time no verb. Ali ball. Of course lagi teruk. Ali ball. No verb. So the sentence is incomplete. No SVO. So remember, must obey the rules, the regulation. The format is SVO, subject, verb, and object. If got 3 elements, the sentence is complete. So from the sentence, you can build 2-3 more sentences to become a paragraph. Okay, remember. For example, just now, my name is Chris. My name is subject, is verb, and Chris object. I am 10 years old. I subject, am verb, 10 years old object. My favorite sport is football. Okay, my favorite sport, subject, is verb, and football is object. all SVO. All are using SVO format. Okay, remember, is, am, are, were, all of them is verb. Okay, all, no, I mean, am, I am, was, I was, were, they were, are, they are. Okay, are, am, was, is, all of them we call verb. Okay, verb. That's why my name is Chris is verb. I am 10 years old. Am is verb. My favorite sport is football. Is a verb. I can play football very well. Okay. I, subject, can play football, verb, and very well, object. Okay. I think that's all for today. I hope you understand this week's teaching and learning, pdpr. If you don't understand, you can ask in the WhatsApp group or in the Telegram group, or you can refer to your parents, your father and mother. I believe they are also good in English. Maybe you can ask your brother or sister. Okay. I end this teaching and learning with surah Al-As. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal-As innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa amilus solihat wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr. Tasbih kafarah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.